Uh, Good morning, friend. Welcome in Pawansatoshi YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about that how we can add our email ID. How we can bind email ID in YuliGo. So let me first open this YuliGo app. आप लोगों को यहाँ पे एक YuliGo जो अपना ऐप है उसको ओपन कर देना. Let me see. Actually, I already opened. I don't know why it's showing like this. So let's wait. So friend, we will click here. Let me check. Okay, got it. So now what you have to do, first you have to click on this part, account. आपको account में जाना है. Now you can check, there is one option, that is the bind email. So you have to click here, bind email, and you have to put your email ID. So get code. So now where code will go, it will not go in your email ID. It will only come here. ये आपके ईमेल आईडी पे नहीं जाएगा. ये देख रहे हैं आप 143215. So what you have to do, you have to open this 143215, right? So this way you can bind your email ID. So let me check. So you can check that my email ID is now successfully binded, right? So friend, this is the trick. Most of the people don't know that how they can bind email ID, and same way you can connect your EVM wallet address as well, right? So I have already connected this EVM wallet address. So suppose if I want to connect my Ton Connect, so even you can connect your Ton Connect also. I don't know it will connect or not. So no issue, but from here you can connect your OKX wallet as well. Okay, but as you know that I have already connected, so there is no issue. So friend, I hope this video will be helpful for you, that how we can bind our email ID. So if I will go click on the going button, if I click on the go task, so now you can check that you can claim your reward, bind email reward, right? So let me click on this claim. So friend, this way you can connect your email ID as well, and from here also, if I will click here, and if you click on wallet, if you will click here, if I click on rebind, so let me connect again. I will show you that how we can connect it. So I will go to the connect to the OKX app. So friend, I have made a separate email ID for that. So now you can check. I will try to connect. I hope it will get connected. So I hope it is connected or not. We will check it. So दोस्तों, इस तरीके से आप अपना यहाँ पे जो है ना वॉलेट कनेक्ट कर सकते हो by using this account options, right? So if I click on wallet, so you can check that my wallet is EVM wallet is already connected, right? So this is the process, and I don't know it will give us the claim options or not. The problem is this is not getting enabled. I don't know what is the issue. If I click here, click on get, I don't think it will give the point till it doesn't. Let me check another place. I don't think there is any other. It's already connected here. Okay, leave that part. So friend, this way you can bind your email ID as well your wallet, and you have to definitely connect both these things. So how did you find this video? Please comment on my video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Love you.